So students, in this lecture we will start our new topic, that is images formed by lenses. Images formed by lenses. So here we will discuss about the lenses and images formed by the lenses. In our last topic we have discussed about the mirrors. Yes. So here we will discuss about the lenses. So what is mean by lens and where we use that? In telescope, in microscope, in binoculars we use the lenses. In specs also we use that. So this is very important to study how the images formed by the lenses. At first we will see how many types of that. There are two types of lenses mainly, that are convex lens and concave lens. Convex lens and concave lens. So convex lens are those which show property of concave mirror. And convex lens is that we show the property of concave mirror, and concave lens is that we show the property of convex mirror. मतलब कॉन्वेक्स लेंस है तो वो कॉन्केव लेंस की प्रॉपर्टी शो करता है, और कॉन्केव लेंस है तो वो कॉन्वेक्स मिरर की प्रॉपर्टी शो करता है. समझ में आया? तो नेम इज डिफरेंट ओनली बट द प्रॉपर्टीज आर सेम फॉर द मिरर एंड लेंस. कॉन्वेक्स लेंस कॉन्केव मिरर और कॉन्केव लेंस कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. So that are the similar type. Okay. So here we know that we use the magnifying lens to see the small object. Images formed by that magnifying glass is magnified image. Okay. So that we use for seeing the magnified image. So here again we will discuss. We know that mirrors are having one surface shiny and smooth and another surface is dull. But lenses are those which are having both surface smooth. Okay. So this is the convex lens and this is the concave lens. Okay. Concave lens. So the difference between concave and convex lens, that also we will discuss. At first we will see some points here. So lenses are of mainly two types. One is convex lens and concave lens. And again it is not necessary for the lens to have both surfaces curved. Here we are seeing in this lens both surfaces are curved. Both surfaces are curved also in this concave lens, but somewhere we use the lens having one surface only curved and another surface is plane. Here also one surface is curved inward and another surface is plane, but the both surface should be smooth. Yes, like that. Both surface should be smooth. That is the condition for the lens. Here also both surface should be smooth. And in mirrors, one surface is shiny, another surface is dull. That is the major difference. Okay. So in this way, lenses are those which are having smooth surface at both sides. So there are two types that we will discuss actually. So this is the convex lens. It is thin at the top and bottom, and at middle it is thick. And concave lens are those which are having thick at top and bottom and thin at middle. Here also we can see the difference. This is the convex lens and this is the concave lens. So what is the difference? The convex lens is thin at top and concave lens is thick at top. But convex lens is at middle it is thick and concave lens at middle it is very thin as compared to this convex lens. Okay. So lenses are these, like see, this is concave mirror, sorry, concave lens, and this is the convex lens. So we can see the magnified image here. Observe the, yes, difference we can understand here. So these were the lenses, okay. So the convex lens are that which are thin at top and bottom and thick at middle, and concave lenses are those thick at top and bottom and thin at middle, okay. So understand this difference. Then the next point is, at both edge smooth surface is present. For the lens at both edge smooth surface is present. Then one or both edges are curved. कभी कभी दो एजेस भी कर्व होती है, कभी कभी सिर्फ एक एज कर्व होती है और एक प्लेन होती है, ओके. सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस हियर, दैट इज द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. इंस्टेड ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, refraction happen due to change in medium of light which is traveling from medium 1 to medium 2. So meaning of that, in case of mirror we observe the reflection of light means bouncing back of the light which is falling on the mirror, and then when the light is falling on that mirror, it is mirror, then it get reflected means it get bouncing back in the same plane. But in case of lens, what happen, if the light fall on the surface, on one surface, it pass through the glass medium and it get another medium. First the light is traveling from air, then it will reach inside the lens, and inside the lens there is a glass medium, means medium is change. पहले एयर का मीडियम था, एयर से वो किधर गया, ग्लास के अंदर गया, तो मीडियम चेंज हो गया. देन अगेन फ्रॉम ग्लास इट विल पास फ्रॉम दैट ग्लास इन द एयर. सो मीडियम चेंज हो गया ना, एयर टू ग्लास and glass to again air. So there we will not get the reflection of light. Reflection of light will not get here. So what we will get? Refraction. Refraction we will get. Instead of refraction we will get. Instead of reflection, refraction happen there. Okay. So what is refraction? That also we will learn in detail. It happened due to change in medium. Okay. So next point is in lens light ray travel from air to glass and glass to again air, so that it change its path. It means light change its path due to difference in speed of light in different medium. Okay. So उसका पाथ चेंज होता है. रिफ्लेक्शन में क्या होता है? डायरेक्टली बाउंसिंग बैक होता है. वी कैन सी हियर, ये इंसिडेंट रे है. अगेन व्हेन इट फॉल ऑन द स्मूथ सरफेस इट डायरेक्टली बाउंस्ड बैक हियर, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द रिफ्रैक्शन. सो रिफ्रैक्शन में क्या होता है? वी विल डिस्कस about the refraction. So refraction is happen into two medium. So two different types of medium are present here. So suppose one medium is air medium first, that is air, and medium second is water we have taken here. So when light travel from the air, travel through the air, so it travel through the air, that is medium 1, and it reach at the surface of water. But here bouncing back of this light light is not happening. But what will happen here? क्या होगा यहाँ पर? रिफ्लेक्ट होगा कि ये लाइट जो आ रहा है वाटर के सरफेस के ऊपर, तो ये जैसे मिरर के ऊपर यदि पड़ता है तो रिफ्लेक्ट होता है. बट वाटर में क्या होता है, वाटर में वो रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं होता है, तो ये अंदर सेकंड मीडियम में जाता है. सो इट एंटर इनटू वाटर एंड हियर स्पीड ऑफ लाइट विल चेंज. ऑब्वियसली in air the speed of light will be high, very high as compared to water. Yes, and when it will reach in water, its speed will be changed. Its speed will be changed so that it will change its path. Light का path क्या होगा, यहाँ पर change हो गया है ना. तो बाउंस भी नहीं हुआ और स्ट्रेट भी नहीं आया, तो क्या हो गया, उसका पाथ कैसे हो गया, चेंज हो गया. सो दिस चेंज इन पाथ ऑफ दैट लाइट is known as refraction, is known as refraction. Okay, so what is mean by refraction, do you understood that here? So when light travel from one medium to another medium, there is a change in speed of light, so that the light change its path, the light change its path, and that changes path of the light ray is called as refraction. So here this incident ray, here is incident ray, it reached to the surface of water, then due to difference in speed, what happened here, it will change its path and refraction is happen here, that is the refracted ray, and that is the path of light is changed here. Okay, so it is the normal which is perpendicular to the surface of water. This is the angle of incidence and this is the angle of refraction. Okay, so it was about the refraction. So next we will go to the next point. So there are two types of lenses. One is convex lens and another is concave lens. So convex lens is called as convex lens is known as converging lens. Convex lens is known as converging lens and concave lens is known as diverging lens. Concave lens is diverging lens. Why? Because convex lens converge light. It converge light. मतलब convex lens में light का actual conversion होता है as like concave mirror, as like concave mirror. Concave mirror में भी हमने देखा है कि लाइट रेज क्या होते हैं, कॉन्वर्ज होते हैं, है ना. We have seen already here. देखो यहाँ पर कॉन्वर्जिंग मिरर कौन सा है, कॉन्केव मिरर में क्या होता है, लाइट कॉन्वर्ज होता है, और कॉन्वेक्स मिरर में लाइट कैसे होते हैं, डाइवर्ज होता है. तो सेम इट विल हैपन इन केस ऑफ convex lens, as like concave mirror the light rays converges, that's why it is known as converging lens. And in case of concave lens, as like the convex mirror, the light rays get diverged, the light rays get diverged, that's why this type of lens, concave lens, is known as diverging lens, diverging lens. Okay, so concave lens is showing properties of images as same as convex mirror. Okay, तो ये भी convex mirror भी diverging है और concave lens भी diverging है. So both show the same properties of images. And here convex lens and concave mirror shows the same properties, and these are showing this show conversion of rays. That's why the properties of images of convex lens are as same as the concave mirror. मतलब convex lens और concave mirror वो दोनों के in case of that both things, what happened, the light rays, reflected light rays get converge, the reflected rays get converge, and due to this conversion in both case the properties of images are same here. Okay, so this was the important. So how are the properties of convex lens and concave mirror? the images form which are real and inverted, then virtual and erect as well, then it is diminished or magnified. Both types of images are formed here. Real and inverted images are also formed, and virtual and erect images also formed. Okay, so in different case, depending on the location of object, the type of image we get here. Okay. So here, in case of concave lens, it shows the property of convex mirror. So here only virtual, erect and diminished image form. Only virtual, erect and diminished image form and can't capture on screen. That image is virtual, that's why it can't capture on screen. And here, as the image is real and inverted, that's why it can capture on screen. It can capture on screen. Okay. So this is the major difference between the lenses. So here we will see. Here we will see convex lens and concave mirror. Simultaneously we can see convex lens and concave mirror. Here the types of images are same. What is the type? What are the type? Image is, here image is magnified. Sometimes we get magnified image, sometimes we get diminished image. Also real and inverted image we get. Again sometimes virtual and erect image also we get. So here convex lens and concave mirror shows the same properties of images. Okay. And next we can observe concave lens and convex mirror. Concave lens and convex mirror. So this is the concave lens. So here concave lens is present. We can see here. So here images form virtual image. And in case of convex, here is the concave lens. And in case of concave lens, images form virtual and erect. Images form virtual and erect. And the same in case of convex mirror, images form also virtual and erect. Okay. So in that both case same type of image we get. Okay. How is that? Image always will be diminished, virtual and erect. So that as it is virtual, it can't capture on screen. Okay. So same type of images form here. Understand? So again in this diagram we can see the convex lens are converging lens. Why these are called converging lens? Because the refracted rays, these are the refracted rays, these refracted rays get converged here, get converged at the point. So that this type of lens, convex lens, is called converging lens, as like the concave mirror. And here in this case concave lens we are seeing, here the refracted rays get diverged as like the convex mirror, so that this type of lens is called, this concave lens is called diverging lens. Okay. So simultaneously we can see the both, it is converging lens and it is diverging lens. As here the rays are converging, the refracted rays are converging, and here the refracted rays are diverging. Okay. So this is the major difference. So again we will see the images formed, we will discuss about the images formed by the convex mirror. So we can understand, and we know that in case of mirror also we have discussed the size of object and the type of object, the size of image and the type of image is totally depend on the distance of object from the mirror or lens. The distance of object from the mirror or lens. Okay. So as the object is located far from the lens, we get the diminished image. We get the diminished image in case of convex mirror. So here we are discussing images formed by the convex mirror. So in case of convex mirror, if the object is located far from the lens, what happened here? The image we can see it is formed on the screen, because as the image we can capture on the screen, which is formed by convex mirror, we can see here image is formed on the screen, it is captured on the screen. But how is that images? How is that image? As the object is far from the lens, the image which is formed here, that is diminished, मतलब small size की ऑब्जेक्ट से बहुत ज़्यादा small है. Again second property, it is real and inverted. It is real and inverted. देखो real है और inverted है. That's why it can capture on the screen. Okay. And second case we will discuss again. Now in second case, object is moved towards the lens. यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट दूर है लेंस से, but now in second case we moved the object near to the lens, slightly near to the lens. So how now the image we will get? Slightly not. It is nearer than that object. Okay, it is nearer to lens. So how that image is formed on the capture? How we can see the image? It is real and inverted. It is real and inverted, and main thing is it is highly magnified. It is magnified image. Yes. Then that image, it is much magnified. Yes, we can see that. It is magnified image. ओके मतलब ये एनलार्ज इमेज है. ये इमेज बहुत ही छोटी है, दूर था तो, और यहाँ पर बड़ी इमेज हमको मिली है, मतलब एनलार्ज इमेज और मैग्नीफाइड इमेज हमको मिली है. सो इन द नेक्स्ट केस we can observe virtual image formed by the convex lens. As the object is much near to the lens, what will happen? The conversion point will be imaginary conversion point we have to create here, because in this case the refracted rays will be diverged. And conversion point will be the imaginary, so that the image is formed here, virtual image, as well it is highly magnified image, also it is erect. So how that image is formed? Virtual and erect, as well it is highly magnified, So this type of images we can see through the magnifying glass. Okay, so this was about the images formed by the convex mirror. So in our next case, we can observe the image formed by concave lens. So in the case of concave lens, image form is always virtual and erect. Also it is diminished. Diminished मतलब smaller in size than the object से छोटी बनती है इमेज हमेशा, और कैसी बनती है? Virtual and erect. क्योंकि यहाँ पर भी conversion जो होता है वो imaginary होता है, because the rays from the object which fall on the lens, which pass through the lens, the refracted rays always get diverged here, so that the image form here is virtual and erect. Okay, but it is not magnified as like the convex mirror. Always we get the diminished image, मतलब छोटी image हमको मिलती है. So this was about the images formed through the convex mirror and through the concave mirror. This is the image by concave mirror. So in our next lecture we will see through the diagram again. Okay.